What's up, you guys? I'm so hot. Sorry if I look oily. I literally just got back from running errands, but I wanted to do this video, so let's go. I'm showing you guys how to do flat twist. I'm gonna do like the small individual ones that go like halfway, like all around your head. You'll see, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do the flat twist. I think that's what they're called. I think so. I'm not sure if there's a difference between the two that you separate and then put together, or if it's just like one when you do. I call it all flat twists, so we're just gonna go with that, and that's what I'm gonna call them. So yeah. Okay, so the tools that you're gonna need for this are some elastic, some hair oil of some sort. Doesn't have to be this one, and then a parting comb. All of these will be in the description. Okay. So first I started off by parting my hair down the middle, and I found this way of parting to be a lot easier. And then I started parting down the sides right behind my ear, where I typically part when I'm doing front hairstyles. And then I had to fix it up a little bit. And then I went back in and I lined up the part to make the other side, again right behind my ear, just so that they're both even. Next, any of the excess hair that I'm not going to be using, I like to pin back with a claw clip or a hair tie, whatever. Taking my hair oil and putting it on my hands so that it makes the hair ties easier to get out of my hair when I'm done with the hairstyle. You guys always ask me how I get it out of my hair, and that is how. Okay, so for the twist, you're going to twist up and then around, and every time you go in for another twist, you're just going to grab hair, and it should be super simple just to twist and grab your hair as so. And then to keep it tight, I like to twist it out a little bit further off of my scalp and then put the elastic on. And just make sure when you're putting the elastic on, you stretch it like really tight, not so that you're gonna break it, but you know, enough to hold it. And then I always like to try and keep my hair in front so that it doesn't grab any hair from the hair that I'm not using, and that will help it not get tangled or caught in the hair tie. And you're just going to continue and to part into these little sections and twisting your hair. Again, we're going up and then just twisting around and grabbing the hair as we go. You want to make it as tight as possible, and then at the end twisting off your head and then going in with the elastic and tying it all together, and this will ensure that it's a tight hairstyle. Also, like I said before, the reason that I use the oil on my hands is so that it slips out easier when I'm done with the hairstyle. Some people like to soak their hair ties in oil. Some people like to use essential oils like lemon and peppermint, I think, to break the hair ties. Some people use scissors or straighteners, but I think using any type of oil like essential oil or hair oil or whatever to get it out is the best way, just because it's more healthier for your hair and it's safer. We have the first side of my head done, and now we're going to move on to the second side and just following the same steps that I showed you guys the first time around. Okay, they're all done and they're so cute. I love doing this hairstyle. I want to say that those took me about like 10-15 minutes. Here is a cute little close-up of the hairstyle. I love this style so much. Super cute and easy hairstyle. Okay, now it's time to take them out. So as you saw, I put the oil on my hands, and you can do it however you want, however works for you to take the rubber bands out. Do it your way. I wouldn't suggest scissors though, but whatever, if it works for you. I just like doing the oil because, like, I mean, if you're a type of person that likes to put oil in your hair anyways, then like this works and it'll just slide right out. I know people like to use essential oils like peppermint and lemon, I think, to break the rubber bands. Do not use a straightener. I don't know why people insist on doing that. Do whatever you want, actually. But this is just how I do it. This is just like the safest, most like sensible way I feel like to do it. It just makes sense. So I know some people soak their rubber bands in the oil, like I said, but I don't, because I normally just don't think about it before. Moment of truth. It's just sliding out. It doesn't hurt, honestly. But then again, I'm not too tender-headed, so. Okay, I got like a little bit of hair, but that's fine. But see, brand new. And I know some people like to reuse their rubber bands, so this is like the perfect way if you like to reuse them. Oh, this is the best feeling ever, just shaking your head out after it's been in a somewhat tight hairstyle. Yeah, I hope this helped you guys. It's a really easy, simple style. I love doing it, especially during the summertime, because I don't care for my hair being down as much as I do out of my face. Thank you so much for watching.